Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Stellar from Revolut to Ledger Nano X in 2025. If you're holding Stellar on Revolut and want to secure it on a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano X for better protection, you're in the right place. With the evolving crypto landscape in 2025, transferring assets safely is more important than ever to avoid hacks and fees. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Revolut account with Stellar in it, a fully configured Ledger Nano X device, and the Stellar app installed on your Ledger. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video, go to the Ledger Live app on your computer, and add the Stellar wallet. It's quick and straightforward. Step 1. Open your Ledger Nano X and connect it to your computer via USB. Unlock it with your PIN and open the Stellar app on the device. This ensures your wallet is ready to receive funds. Next, in Ledger Live on your computer, go to the Accounts section and select your Stellar account. Copy the receiving address. It's a long string of letters and numbers. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as sending to the wrong address could mean losing your Stellar forever. Now, switch over to the Revolut app on your phone. Log in. Navigate to your Crypto section and select Stellar. Tap on Send or Withdraw. Depending on the interface, Revolut might have updated this by 2025, so look for the option to transfer out. Enter the amount you want to send, paste the Ledger address you copied, and review the details. Don't forget to check for any network fees. In 2025, Stellar transactions are still super cheap, but always confirm. Hit send and confirm the transaction with your Revolut security PIN. You'll get a confirmation notification. Head back to Ledger Live to monitor the transfer. It should show up in your account within a few minutes, depending on the network. Once it's there, you're all set. A quick tip. Always use the Stellar network for these transfers to keep things smooth. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check the Stellar Blockchain Explorer for updates. By moving your Stellar to a Ledger Nano X, you're taking a smart step toward securing your assets in 2025. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.